So in this video, I will demonstrate to you, or I will explain to you on how to identify the multiples of a numbers. There are three ways to identify the multiple of a numbers. First is through counting. Okay, through counting, we can identify the multiples of a number. Like for example, if we are going to identify the multiples of 5. So first, we need to count 5 or by 5. Start with 5. So 5, then count again by 5 or count 5. So 5 followed by 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the second multiple of 5 is 10. Next, count again 5. Start with 10. So 10, 5, the result is 15. Next, count again 5. From 15, we have 20. And count again 5 from 20. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And count again 5 from 25. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Then count again 5 from 30. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and so on. So that's how to identify the multiples of a numbers through counting. Another example. How about the multiple of 6 through counting? So 6. Let's try to count 6 from 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So, the next multiple of 6 is 12. Then, again, count again 6. Start from 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, 18. Next, count again 6 from 18. So, 18 followed by 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next, count again 6 from 24. 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next, count again 6 from 30. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36, and so on by 6. So that's how to identify, or the first way to identify the multiple of a number through counting. Next, another way to identify the multiple of a number is through adding. So through adding, we can identify the multiples of a number. Like for example, we need to identify the multiples of 7. So we start from 7, then we are going to add it again by 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Next, 14 plus 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1, 21. Next, 21 plus 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 2, bring down 2, 28. Next, start from 28, then add again 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 35. Next, from 35, add it by 7 so that we can get the next multiple or the multiple after by 35. So 35, 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 42. And so on. The same way, what I did here, to get the multiples of 7 through adding. Another example. Okay, let's create another example. Another example. How to find or identify the multiple of 12. So let's start with 12 by adding it 12. 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24. Next, let's start again with 24. Then add it by 12. 24. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 36. Next, from 36, add it by 12. So 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. So the next multiple of 12 is 48. Next, from 48 plus 12, add it again by 12. So 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 1, plus the carry 1, we have 6. So we have 60. Next, start with 60. Then add it by 12. 0 plus 2, 2. 6 plus 1, 7. So we have 72. And so on. Continue that by adding 12. So that's how to identify the multiple of a number through adding. Another way to identify the multiple of a number is through multiplying. Okay, so through multiplying, we can identify the multiples of a number. Ayan, through multiplying. Like for example, if we need to identify the multiples of 8 using multiplying, how are we going to do that? First, of course, 8 multiplied by 1, we have 8. Next, so 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Next, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So we have 16. Next, 8 times 3 equals 24. So we have 24. Next, 8 times 4, we have 32. So we have 32. Next, 8 times 5 equals 40. So the next is 40. Next, 8 times 6 equals 48. So the multiples of 8 after the 40 is 48. Next, 8 times 7. So 8 times 7 is 56. So the multiples of 8 after the 48 is 56. Next, After the 7 is multiply our 8 by 8. Because that's the next number after the 7. So 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So the multiples of 8 after the 56 is 64. Next, 8 times 9 is equal to 72. So the multiples of 8 after the 64 is 72. And next, 8 times 10 equals 80. So the multiples of 8 after 72 is 80. So that's how to identify the multiples of a number through multiplying. Another example. Let's give another example. How about we need to identify the multiples of 9. Okay. So again, through multiplying, first, 9 times 1, we have 9. Next, 9 times 2, we have 18. Next, 9 times 3, the product is 27. Next, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Next, after the multiple of 9 after 36. So 9 times 5 equals 45. Next, 9 times 6 equals 54. Next, 9 times 7 equals 63. Next, 9 times 8 equals 72. Next, 9 times 9 equals 81. And next, 9 times 10 equals 90. And so on. Just continue to multiply that. 9 after by 10, we have 11. 9 times 12, 9 times 13, 9 times 14, and all the product of that are the multiples of 9. So that's how to solve and identify the multiples of a numbers. Thank you, and I hope that you've learned a lot. And do not forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more infos about mathematics.